All right, to come back from yesterday. Yesterday was a little bit of a rough day for me. It's just a mental breakdown. So today, coming into the market, really wanted to stick with the plan, trade from 9:30 to 11, and I'm watching here. This is after 9:30, but it's in the 15-minute orb, and it's a pretty good bull flag 5-minute bar break, which is a setup I like to do if it wasn't in the middle of the orb. So I did let this one pass by. I would have went for about 3 points. So that would have been a $150 winner. So that one stung a little to miss it, but with the strategy, trading in the middle of the orb right after opening is never a good idea. So not too mad at this one. Trade number two, or well, trade number one, technically, but it's a 5-minute wick test. I'm going short here, so this taps me in. And before this, there was a couple 5-minute wick tests that just barely missed my entry and then would have paid me immediately. So I had a bad feeling about this one. Uh, and it starts going my way, so I'm not feeling too bad about this. As soon as I started seeing this volume coming in, I did not feel so good about it anymore, but I did not move my stop. And that's one of my biggest issues. So I took the loss, $200 loss right there. So live the fight on. This trade was a bear flag on gold on the 5-minute chart. I haven't really done a lot of these, but this one looked like it was setting up pretty good. It was a bear flag right into the 21 EMA. And so I was going to put my stop above the 21 EMA and let it ride out. And luckily it was with the overall trend. So I'm feeling pretty good with this trade overall. And as soon as you see it going in your favor, you feel good. And I did move the stop or the profit quickly, but then I'm like, no, I'm just going to take the profit. And that felt really good. Kept the stop in place, like I said, which is one of my biggest hurdles. So kept that there and then took profit. So overall, I ended up 2 for 3 on the day with my two pro accounts. So I ended up in profit by $300. And my biggest issue is always moving the stop and sizing in too large, which is what happened to me yesterday, blowing up several pro accounts. So just going to cut it off here. This was right around my time I wanted to stop for the day. So this is a big success day for me. So let's go.